Last round, Mason. Make it count. Hello my friends, welcome to unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox HS50 Pro Stereo from Corsair. I took a liberty and already unpacked these headphones. And I must say, for a budget entry level headphones, they are very good quality. The package itself is nice, vivid and colorful, eye-catching. Good job, Corsair. As for the headphones themselves, very good quality, sturdy, solid feel. The microphone is detachable. This cable is not braided, which gives some sort of unpleasant feel when you touch it. But this is what you get for 62 euros. The price for those headphones was 62 euros, including value added tax and delivery costs. Nice black finish, metal frame, Corsair logo on both sides. Which one thing that I don't particularly like is the air padding. It's made from plastic, so it tends to stick to your skin if you use those headphones for a prolonged time. The sound quality is nice, the sound quality is good, no complaints about that. Here are some padding too. This padding is nice, soft, a good quality for Corsair, from Corsair. Okay folks, thank you for watching. Leave a like after 30-second mark. Leave a comment longer than 7 words. Thank you for watching. Have a great time. Bye bye.